Daddy, I'm not daddy. Mommy. Say mama.
Hello.
Hello. You wanna say hello? Hello. Say hello. Hello. High five. Good job. Hello. Oh, kiss the guys. Good morning. Happy Sunday. May batang walang top. Pinakain kasi namin ng blueberries. Tapos yung blueberries, grabe mag-stain. So, pinatanggal ko yung top. Kasi magbibihis din yan mamaya because alis na naman tayo. So, today is Sunday. Meron tayong family Christmas lunch. Early Christmas lunch with the fam-bam because obviously we're not here for Christmas. Ito na din ata yung last kita namin before kami umalis. Kasi alis namin sa Sabado na, guys.
Mama?
Yes?
Can you make it print it out?
Make us sorry?
Print it out. Because I want
Okay.
to take a photo of the tree so Nanny knows what it looks like now.
Okay, which tree?
The one in front, next to the door. Can you make it
Okay.
like
Wait.
yuck?
What yuck? What?
Kissing.
Ah, that's mommy and daddy. We're married. We can kiss. So, I put the yellow, wow, kaya pa ba ng buhok natin? Nilagay ko yung yellow na thermal paper dyan sa loob. Sige, try and take a photo daw. We'll see if it prints. Nakadagdagan natin tong thermal paper.
Okay, I'm going to it.
Yeah, do it here. I wanna see.
Cheese. She's not saying really still, but
It's alright.
oh, here she is.
Oh my gosh, that's good. The yellow paper is good.
Can I try it with you?
That's good. It works. It's good.
I'm just using these for the Christmas photos.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Babe, I think we need more of those. Yeah. I think we need to buy more of those. Ay, anak ko. Feeling ko mauubos yan agad. Don't take too much, ate. Don't print too much. So, ano yung sinasabi ko before tayo na-interrupt ni Ayla? Ay, nakalimutan ko na yung sinasabi ko, guys. Magbihis lang ako, ha? Malamig today. Yeah, it is 18 degrees tapos cloudy. Gusto pa naman sana mag-swimming ng mga bata sa pool ni Nana, but I don't think it's a good idea because it's cold. Mag-ano lang ako muna. Magbihis. Tapos i-prepare ang kids. Oh, before pala kami punta kina Nana, Arlo has a makeup swimming lesson. So, may swimming lesson si Arlo ng alas 12. And tapos yan 12:30. Tapos diretso na kami kina Sharon. So, sama na kaming lahat sa swimming. Tapos, diretso na kaming lahat doon. What is mommy gonna... Oh my goodness, Inde! Ang dami na namang kalat, de. Silly, de. Oh, my beautiful dear, I love you, di. Manggigil man gud ko si mami gud manggigil man gud ani akong di ko gwapa. Sorry. Manggigil lagi ko sa gwapa nga di. Cute man kay ni akong di. Sorry. Manggigil lagi ko sa akong di nga ko palagi. You guys, nakabihis na ako. Ano lang ako, t-shirt tapos may cardigan. Kasi ngayon malamig pero later daw magwa-warm up daw later eh. So, we'll see. Suot-suot ko lang yung jeans na nabili ko sa Zara. Hindi. 10:30 pa naman. So, meron pang isang oras before natin kailangan umalis. Kasi 12 yung swimming niya. So, dapat alis tayo. 11:30. Iniisip ko, ito na ba yung last ready ko? Before kami umalis. Hindi na siguro kami aalis during the week. Kailangan ko nang mag-focus sa aming packing. Ano, ito na ba yun? Kasi nasa utak ko, kung ito na yun, ilagay mo na sa ano, travel makeup bag yung, oh, di ba nag-open na siya ng kung ano-ano dyan. Ilagay mo na sa travel makeup bag yung mga gagamitin mo, mga dadalhin mo. So, ilagay ko na to. Okay. This, yeah. Ito. Tapos, hindi. Ingat ka dyan, di. Ito lang yung dadalhin kong blush. Isa lang, guys. Yung from BLK. Kasi I find na kapag nagta-travel, hindi naman ako nagme-makeup din. Lalo na kapag nasa resort, yung importante lang is yung sunscreen. So, dalhin natin yan. And then, dalhin natin yung ating sunscreen. Hi, babe! Is this sunscreen? Oh, yeah. Oh, perfect. Ano lang dalhin ko? Ayan. And then, dalhin ko lang yung lip tint. And sipuri, ilagay natin dito. Ano, actually, maglagay ako ng bagong sipuri dyan. Ayan. And then, ano pa ba? Ilagay ko na lang, o diba, nagpack na ng makeup. Ilagay ko na lang din yung dadalhin kong perfume. Ito siguro yung dadalhin kong perfume. Yung pinakamalaking ulo talaga yung dadalhin natin.
Can I change the color?
Ha?
Can I change the color?
The color of what?
More like filmer.
Ito na lang kasi maliit.
I want to change the color of like the.
Why? How does that smell to you?
Yeah.
It's like a summer scent or what do you think?
Yeah, you should put that on.
No, for Philippines, I'm thinking.
Yeah, put it on for Philippines. What did you put on now?
Yeah, no, I don't think this is a summer scent.
Oh, can I put on this?
Bakit parang ano to? Strong. Does it smell good or
I can't smell it.
really? I feel like that's all you want. Ito na lang siguro ano. Or this. This one.
Can I smell? Let's put it here, Mom.
Yan siguro. Ito na
Yeah,
lang.
that's one's best. It smells like honey.
May honey ba to?
Okay.
Ito na lang. Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Gusto mo talagang makisali eh, no? Ikaw batang chismosa ka eh. Batang
Mom,
chismo.
where's your lip balm? Can I go?
Sure.
This one?
Okay. Are you gonna sleep off the swimming? No.
Maybe. We'll see.
Whoop. Okay, come on. What else? What else do I use on a daily basis?
You are my.
You look pretty. Oh my gosh, too much. Girl, that's enough. Ay, nako. Ay, nako, hindi. Tingnan mo, kaya nawawala yung mga gamit natin kung saan-saan mo pinagsusukso. Akin na yung phone ko. Hindi, give me my phone, please. Give me it. Thank you. Silly. Didi. Yeah, push to close. Can you pick that up, please? Give me that. That one and the toothpaste. Nandun na yung toothpaste. Ay, nako.
What's that, Mom?
It's a lip. I don't even know.
Lipstick.
Lip tint. Water tint. You want some? She's sleeping. I think she's gonna sleep in the car.
Mama.
Sleep lang. Mommy!
Mommy. Mom, can you put on blue?
Blue what? What are you wearing, girl? What are you wearing? Nakita niya yung binigay ni Tita Mer sa kanya yung dress. Gusto niya suotin. Pinasuot ko. Malaki pa sa kanya, size 2. So next year na yan, ha? Meron ka ng outfit for Christmas photo next year. Yan na ba yun? Yeah? Tingnan niyo siya. Ang cute-cute niya. Malaki pa sa kanya, pero ang cute-cute niya. Naglalakad siya doon. Gustong-gusto niya nagtatry on eh. Ayun. Oh. Sige. Sige. Show the guys the dress. So cute, guys. Look. You wanna turn around and twirl? You wanna twirl? Yeah. Yeah. Looks so cute. Aww. Alright, here. Wait. Let's change your clothes. Come on. What are you gonna wear? Do you wanna wear something red? Do you wanna wear your red dress? Huh? Batang bail. Batang bail nga si D. What are you gonna wear? Huh? Let's choose. Which one? You wanna wear this again? Yeah, wear this again. This one. Cute. Okay? Yeah, come on. Cute. So cute. One. Down. Peekaboo! One. Oh, kain. Yummy. One. Peekaboo! Not yet. This one. Here, this way. 1, 2. Peekaboo! So cute. Perfect. Beautiful. So cute. Oh my gosh. So cute. Arlo. Pakita niya kay Arlo. Indy wants to show you her dress. Arlo, show kuya. Wow. Hug kuya, hug kuya. Hug. Aww.
Someone needs sticky tape over.
Why?
I thought he needs to be invisible.
Invisible?
Yeah.
I don't think he needs to be invisible. You're gonna take it out anyway so you can show your cousins.
You didn't go through that bagel yesterday.
I need to open it.
No.
Um,
Oh, no. Alright, sit down, shoes.
That's me.
Alright, go up. Wait, can I put this on? Just wait. Cream? Cream for skin?
Oh, let's sit down now.
No.
Oh, let's sit down.
Good job, Dee. Skin getting better, Dee. Alright, go. Go to Daddy. Go to Dada.
And then she said, hey, you're not the boss of me. Hey, I'm the boss.
Okay. Wow. It's a really good dream.
So I moved in and I've been the boss.
Okay.
I got a parachute and then I got a balloon. I got a
Do you want to check the post office box or go on past it?
Do we have time?
Yeah. Is that 2 seconds?
Yeah, I think my phone case is there. Kinikwento ni Ayla yung dream niya. Ang ganda daw ng dream niya kaya hindi siya lumipat sa bed namin. Hindi naman siya lumilipat. Ano lang, pumupunta siya sa bed namin para tawagin si Daddy para si Daddy yung lumipat sa kanya. Sa bed niya. So, nagising siya, 7:30. Pumunta siya sa amin 7:30. Tapos sabi niya, pwede ba ako humiga dito? Sabi ko, okay na. Pwede ka na humiga dyan. Maliwanag na. How many people were on the bed today, this morning? Daddy. There were 5 on the bed and the little one said,
Daddy.
roll over, roll over.
No, she said daddy because it's in there.
Ah.
While we here,
Okay, which you got the kimono?
while we here,
She's gonna check the post office. This is where our mail gets sent to.
Am I doing it or you?
I'll jump out. Okay.
There you go, Mama. Thank you very much. So, it is 11:12 ng umaga.
What does Daddy need to do?
Okay.
That's your shorts, okay? Is that
Yeah.
Daddy's shorts?
That is my phone case.
Why do you need a phone case?
Oh, it was broken and then we fixed it.
That glue would hold it as well.
Yeah.
Like Gorilla Glue, didn't you use?
Yeah, it was
Yeah.
Gorilla, yeah.
I dropped the books down there, Mommy.
That's okay, babe. We'll get it
Has
later.
Sissy got the same phone or?
No?
No, okay.
I
No,
don't
she
need
got the
box,
year before.
Mommy.
Last
I don't
year's
need
phone.
the box.
Yeah, you don't need the box. That's good. Why?
Oh, just because you might never use that next phone case. It's alright, whatever.
You can just use the one your guy made to buy one.
No, that one's for the old phone. You're going to Kmart. Can you get her the more thermal paper? That would be in the electronic section near the service.
Alright, I'll have a look.
Yeah.
Mommy, can I show Daddy where it is?
Does she know where it is? Probably not. Nah.
But it was, near the electronic section.
Mommy, can I show Daddy where it is?
Uh-huh.
Can I show Daddy where it is?
I'll find it.
Daddy will find
Daddy's
it.
quick.
Indy might sleep as well. How's Indy
If
going?
you lose it on the plane.
Just get a white one. Did you bring your camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so
The,
film.
the family photographer. Right? He
Yeah.
brings us take photo of everyone today.
Yeah, you can take photos of everyone today.
Yeah, 6 Mommy,
Yes, baby.
you said that's a little. You want me to shoot 20?
20 million.
Yeah, you can. I think you can.
Take as many as you want, princess.
Daddy will get you more paper, okay?
I will take
Because
a
I'm thinking,
photo.
I'm thinking
Mom,
when you're in the
we can
plane.
charge it in the plane.
Yes, girl. Yes.
Because it's gonna be it's gonna be 7 hours. That's a
Yes.
flight.
Yeah, that's a long time. Dang, I like a job.
So I can still like so with the run out of like charging, don't worry, we can just play game.
Yep, that's right. Alright, so nandito kami sa car park ng Kmart, guys. Kasi kahapon, nagpunta si Dan ng Kmart. So pag uwi namin ni Ayla galing TTP, si Arlo naman at saka si Dan yung umalis, nagpunta ng Kmart para mag-shopping ng mga bagong shorts, tops. He usually do that kapag umaalis kami, pumunta kami Pinas. So he did his shopping. And today, na-realize niya na hindi niya nabayaran or hindi niya nakuha yung shorts na gustong-gusto niya. I think it's swimming shorts. So, nandito kami sa Kmart. Sana nandun pa din. Kasi sabi niya, it's really good daw. Do you have dummy there, Indy?
Easy peasy.
Does she have dummy, ate? I'll get your dummy. Here, Dee. You're beautiful.
Mom,
Tapos nagpabili na din ako sa kanya ng more thermal paper para kay Ayla. Bakit iba-iba? Merong 10-pack thermal camera paper rolls for $12. Merong isang 10-pack pa din pero $15 naman. Mas mahal yung white
I'm
compared
winning.
sa... Anyway, it's alright.
and I do the pop.
You're back.
And I do
Whoa.
Is this on?
Yeah, but you know, I reckon like see, let's say seasonal BW. You know, you said it was that was on the other receipt.
Was it?
Oh,
Oh, so what happened? Maybe you dropped it when you... Did you do self-checkout?
No.
This looks good.
Yeah, you can just like it doesn't look like boy shorts, so wear it like casually as
let's
well.
go to 90 now.
Swimming fast.
Swimming now, guys.
And this one. Did you have a hard
They
time
go
looking for it?
swimming first and then Nanny's house. Swimming first and then Nanny's house, Mommy.
Yeah,
Thanks. What's you?
that's okay.
Mommy, why are we going there? I need to pee.
You can pee when you get to swimming.
Yep. Well done, Ala. No. He was the best there.
He's a good swimmer.
He's a good swimmer. Mate, you did so well.
He said private word.
Huh?
He said pig. No one knows.
He said P. P. You can say P. That's fine.
P.
So I met Deb.
Oh yeah.
She waved at you. Did you see?
Nah.
Ah. That's why it took us forever. We were just talking.
Ah.
Yeah, she's a nice lady.
Cheers.
So
She's
she
the
went to
honest
me.
mom.
She went to me and she goes, "So who are you? I haven't seen you before." Oh, I'm Alo's mom. So she didn't see Alo in the pool.
Yeah.
And she goes, "Oh, Alo's here. Oh yeah, okay." And she goes, "Oh yeah." And then I said, "Yeah, I'm the wife." I said, "Yeah, yeah." And then we started talking. Yeah.
Yeah, that's just good.
Yeah, she's nice. And she went in there, she cleaned the bathrooms.
She's the honest mom.
She is the owner's mom. So yeah, she introduced herself and she goes, "Yeah, I'm the owner's mom." I know everyone. I just didn't see Alo there. Alo was, because you were swimming. They haven't even started. He was already like diving and you doing such a good job. Yeah. And I heard Isla's really good too.
Yeah, that's a good swimmer, right?
Yeah.
Princess.
No, I was not swimming.
She didn't swim today, but Friday. She
You
was
both are very
really
good swimmers.
No,
Yeah.
I was not swimming on island.
Alo always say, "Me. Who wants to go first? Me." Yeah.
I thought I would show you my swimming.
I know. You did really well, Alo.
Well, do you know that other kids might be older than you? So that I might be better than you? No, I'm better than them. I'm better than them.
Yeah, Ali's a very good swimmer.
You were actually the best today, Alo. Well done.
Okay, so Mummy, so that means me and Thea are the middles at Nanny's house.
Okay.
I'm the middle child. Like, you and Indy and Eva.
Kawawang bata. Tamang nood lang. Alo's not there. 30? Ah. That's good. Water is 30. This looks good. Can you help me in India as well, please? Just
I'll just take it.
ah yes, please. Ooh, I want those eggs. Are you?
You love it? Ali.
Bye.
See you
Bye.
guys.
Thank you, Pete.
See ya, thank you.
Thanks, Nana.
I love you, Indy.
Oh, he wants to hug you.
Wow.
Oh, sweetie boy.
Love you. Indy's looking. Bye, Indy.
This is my Black Panther mustache.
And you love your truck, don't you, mate? Love you.
Thank you, guys.
See ya.
Nanny 6'7".
Yeah, exactly. Nanny 6'7".
Oh, my flower. Mommy, what are you doing?
Say
I
bye.
love you.
Go louder.
I love you.
Bye. Oh, man, you're so sweet.
Schools on ahead.
Hello. You You love Nana?
Yeah, I'm taking cousins to sand.
Oh, you are, because you are such a nice, sweet boy.
Told you.
I know.
Oh, I told
Did you have fun, guys? Was it a good one?
you. Why did you not swim?
Oh, I didn't bring bathers, baby, and I don't have any plans swimming today.
I'm taking you with you. I'm buying you babies, Mommy.
You buying me bathers?
Yeah, and you can swim in Nanny's pool.
Oh, thank you, Olo. Isla actually chose my bathers yesterday.
Guys,
Oh, we will show Daddy. What color is it, Ate?
I don't know.
Eh.
Pink.
No, remember the
Green.
one I tried on yesterday at the shops? What color was it?
It was blue.
Yeah.
And the other one was red.
Ooh.
I said it, Mommy.
Yeah.
I said it. You said pink.
Is it good, Isla, the bathers?
Yeah.
Yeah, Isla chose it for me. Guys, kain tayo. Late na. Anong oras na ba? 9:32 na ng gabi. Kakaluto lang talaga ng aking siomai. Wait, sabi. Ito naman. Binigyan ko na nga ng blueberries. Mainit. You like? Oh, sige. Kain ka. Kain din si Mami. Yung chili garlic oil na gawa ko yan. Siomai na gawa ko. Nagutom ako, guys, kanina. Akala ko okay na ako eh. Naisip ko, ang konti lang pala nung nakain ko. Konting salad, tapos 2 lamb chops. Tapos I'm trying to think kung nakain ko yung iba. Kasi umiyak na to eh. So nilapitan ko na siya, tapos wala na, nakalimutan ko na yung pagkain ko. Pagtingin ko, naligpit na. Kapag na-disturbo ka talaga, nawawalan ka ng gana. Kasi hindi pa ako tapos yun eh. Si Dan hindi na kumain kasi marami yung nakain niya. Kasi ang daming pagkain kanina eh. Ako lang talaga yung hindi na nakakain kasi kinailangan na ako ni Indy. Di ba, Di? And, oh yeah. Ay, naalala ko na. Nakatulog din pala siya sa akin. So, wala na. Hindi na talaga ako nakakain din.